I welcome all of you on platform of Yourpedia Education, and you are watching a series of very short videos related to making you perfect in the art of group discussion. You know, group discussion is an art. Group discussion, group task, interview, these all are art. That simply means you can make yourself expert, or you can perfect this art through practice. I've told you from the very beginning in all my videos that group discussion, what you think, unlike what you think, group discussion is not about the knowledge of the topic and fluency in English. 99% students think that if they know the topic and if they are fluent in English, then only they can do group discussion. I'm telling you this is not true. If you do not know the topic and if you're not fluent in English, even then you can participate in group discussion. All you need to do is you need to know the structure of introduction, structure of the body, structure of conclusion, which are the three parts of group discussion. And all you need to know is, all you need to have is practice. Practice will make you perfect. So 5 to 7 GDs if you do, and if you stick to the structure part, then you will be very comfortable in group discussion, and you will certainly qualify this particular round of group discussion. So practice should be accompanied with learning attitude. I mean, practice itself will not make you perfect. Learning has to be there. That means if you practice in 1 GD and the observer is telling you, giving you his feedback and telling you that this is good, this is bad in you, you need to incorporate that change. You need to basically learn from that and improve. And if you do that, the next time you will improve in your group discussion, you know. So practice accompanied with learning, and practice 5 to 10 times, and following the structure, using the structure will make you perfect in the art of group discussion. And you know, if you follow this structure, you will certainly learn this art of group discussion. It's very simple. I'm very sure you will acquire this, and keep watching. So many videos we have uploaded on Yourpedia channel. For your reference, you can go to our playlist also and learn on your own. Thank you.